You know about the Facebook ad library?
No.
Oh, you're in for a treat. It lets you see what other people are running.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that.
Yeah. So what you want to do is add category. You don't need to worry about that.
I mean, I go on a competitor's page and I could see the transparency thing, but I never
Yeah,
went to.
but this isn't a perfect system. Like that system's good as well, and I would keep doing that because sometimes not all the pages are going to appear here, but you can see some pretty nice, get some some more ad copy ideas. So I would just type in like martial arts, and then
Okay.
let's do this one, and then you can see the ads they're running,
Yep.
and then you can see like, oh, like the including the location, teaching, yeah, and then like you can see like this is something you could like, I wouldn't say don't copy it word for word obviously, but you can
Right.
emulate for
Right.
for a shorter ad copy. Pictures, you see videos and all that. That all works. Videos. And what I really like to do is what I try to find their old ads if they're running any,
Right.
because I
See what's
know if the longer they've been running it, that means that ad is working.
working. Right.
It's still converting, or it's either it's converting or they've forgotten about it and they're just bad advertisers overall. This page is running a lot of ads. They're doing a lot of different variations.
Yeah. Yeah. This is a big franchise.
Yeah. Oh, it is? Oh, I didn't know
Yes.
that.
Yeah.
Um, you can also see ad details. You can see, I think you can look at the video, and sometimes you can even, if it's like a traffic ad, you can even go to the landing page that they use.
Yeah. A lot of times, yeah, I've done that before. So, okay, that's from Facebook Ad Library. That's
Yeah,
just
just
in
type it in
Google.
Google, and then,
Okay.
yeah, and then it's select all ads, United States, and then just scroll down to like look at all the ads obviously, but the best thing you can do is like to see like their old ads, like their oldest ads, because
Right.
it's most likely that those ads are working and they're converting, or else they would
Right.
have turned,
Oh,
especially if they
right.
have new ads and they have old ads, that means they're keeping an eye on their campaign. So that means that it's converting, it's going well. And like even so, like I have a client who's this one ad I've been running for literally like 3 months now, and if someone goes to the ad library and sees that, it's a good ad because it's converting well, and it's even with the frequencies up, the quality rankings not the greatest, but it's still converting clients, and so I'm going to keep the ad running, and that's just the
Sure.
rule
Of
with
course.
that's just the rule with Facebook ads. You don't when do you stop the ad? You stop it when it's not working anymore, or when it's too
Right.
expensive, or all that stuff.